Hey, we just woke up, had some Maccas. I don't know what the fuck, I just need to go back, have a shower, because I'm fucking absolutely dying. Just woke up starving, I just slept from like 4 o'clock yesterday, so... But overslept, or... I don't know, update when we leave, we're going to do something. Hotel again, I can't fix my hair, because my hands are full. But I've tried the green ghost before, and I absolutely was like peeking off my nutsack, eh? So, we'll try this one, and actually just demolish this as fast as we can. We'll see in Ravdog peaks, eh? Holy higgino. Alright, yeah, definitely. It's been like maybe 10 minutes. I'm definitely fucking feeling it, eh? I don't know about you. Oh fuck, these things are dodgy, eh? Definitely not the best flavour out of all of them. Well, that I've tried at least, but it's still feral. So we're trying to make our way to the fucking ferry. Then we're gonna catch a ferry. We were catching a ferry too?
I actually don't know, like, yeah, what was it?
You reckon? Fuck, he knows.
I forgot, eh?
What is it? Come on, what is it?
Nah.
No. Well, is it a beach or what is it? What's actually there? It's just some place that he got told to go, so we're gonna go do it. We got fuck all else to do, so. Going on the ferry now. Update when we get to fucking Manly. It was Manly, eh? Manly was supposed to be going. This is Manly, eh? How good. What are we actually doing? You got any idea? Any idea? Alright, so we've had the idea to just come here and then we'll figure it out. Fuck it, I might get a bike or something. My feet are still so sore. These shoes do not fit me one bit, eh? What can you really do about it? Right, it's Manly Beach. Manly Beach. Do you feel manly here? Oh! Like the smallest one in New Zealand, or probably actually in Australia, but fucking bring it all in with me, so I'm gonna smoke this thing and then fucking figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Another thing Ravdog's life, baby. Pretty cool church in Manly. Wow. Bored. So, yeah. Fuck knows what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but just have a beer. 30. Okay. It's about the right standing time. Fuck off, music. That was Manly. Wow. Really cool place there, I tell you. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the hotel, sort out renting a car, and then maybe go see Jack, and we'll see what's fucking going on, eh? Yo.
I thought it was just wrong pay.
Those are some bad whoops, cause some bad whoops. So we're like over there. Shoes are actually that small, you can straight up see my bunions pushing them out. Bruzzy. Literally, you can see my foot pushing it out. Come on, Carson. So we're back. We're gonna go rent this car, and then we're gonna grab the bikes, go rent the posting up the hill, and then go rent a car, then probably go see Jack and shit. Is secured. So I'm gonna go check out. Yeah, it'll turn on. That's how it fucking charges better.
Okay, now how do we do this?
I don't know. Yes, we're gonna go fucking see what Jack's up to, eh? This thing on there, fuck, that's a weapon, cause. Alright, so we made it back to Jack's. They're actually gonna work, so the plan was, anyway. Got some chicken fucking snittos in there, got some avocado there, got some bread and cheese there. We're on. It's way too flash, eh? Pretty much just drove us to the fucking bowling. So yeah, we miscommunication between me and Jack, and so he's actually off work tomorrow afternoon. Ooh, he's off tomorrow afternoon, and fuck, I just got my yeah. Jack's off work in the afternoon, and then so me and Chubba gonna go to the fucking bowling, and yeah, so is it closed or is it closed?
No, it's cars, yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Just looks a bit. How you going? No, we're on.
Oh, this is fucking recycling shit.
Oh, it's so cool. That's the coolest thing, honestly. Yeah, let's go. So it was just absolutely full of a whole class of fucking people. So that's absolutely amazing. We'll just find something to do here. We didn't just drive here for nothing. We did see Jack, I guess, but fuck. Yeah, is there another place or fuck? What else is there to do? What else is there to do? Fucking surely there's something out. There's gotta be fucking something. Let you know if fucking I'll let you know if we figure something out. I cannot speak right now. Yeah. Go to SPANIANs kebabs. I'll be pretty keen on to try see how good Spanian kebabs are.
Sweet. Oh, we'll go the no toll road, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that seems way more traffic.
How much is this for? Oh, okay, I was really keen on bowling, eh? Right, shit. Could we play some golf?
Oh, is it driving range around
No,
here?
we need. Oh, yo, well, we can do a driving range. Just smack some fucking things. Surely. I'm pretty sure Ava said that there was.
We just drove past a golf place there.
Yeah, there's probably one there as well, yo.
Can you get that fucking...
Nah. Get used to it. I just turned around so I can just get you. Strange.
Oh, we got someone fucking returning bottles, eh? How do you...
Yeah, how do we start this thing? Show us some fucking, what some details about the what?
fucking Commodore. You can unlock the car right and fucking...
Oh.
What a shit box.
Fuck, can I actually have a ciggy outside or?
Yeah, go hard. Just have a ciggy in here, might as well.
Nah, I'm all gonna fucking get charged $200. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna have a quick smoke, quick fag, and then
Yo, might go try Spanian fucking kebabs.
speedy, get a little speedy. Ooh, fuck. Alright, so we ended up just going on the golf range. Yeah, let's go to the golf range. That's really Australian of Elos, but let's drive to a little paddock here, and then yeah, let's go smash some golfies. Let's do it. I'm renting them out. It's just like fucking. Have to bring your own clubs. Nah, surely. Yeah, surely. It's just, ooh, yeah. Smacking the cup. Surely it'll stay there. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, we call Mac and Bird, eh?
I'm just get way sore straight away.
Straight.
Chicken wings. It's hard with that one. I keep missing to at least be longer. Straight arms. Just keep moving straight arms. So you hold your thumbs and just straight arms.
Oh, ey.
Yeah.
Oh, you see the kannst du echt straight fucking those things. Gun cap thingies on too.
What?
Right next to that
What
one.
if I just hit it off the fucking teeth? Oh, that goes bang. Oh. Chipper? Yeah, I'm just like the other chipper stuff.
Yeah.
Right, next man on balls and we know we do. A pretty lovely third year mate. Shout out to the brother. What's this place called? Don't even know. Don't know something. Come to this place in Australia if you find it. It's in Richmond. It's probably the only one. Good cut in there. Appreciate it. Alrighty, we have made it. Made it to the man himself, fucking kebab. Even though hungry, I ate quite a bit of Jacks, but I think I'm gonna have to get one. I'll have to go on and give it a go. Give it a fucking bit of a try here, but I don't know. See how good it is. They fucking eat. Hey, here she is. Here she is. I got a mixed one because I'll give it a go. He reckons the spice got a bit of a kick. Probably shouldn't have got spicy, but oh well. We'll give it a fucking bang, eh? Alright. It's like super spicy. Am I gonna hate it? Alright. Fuck, I reckon I should have got no spice. I know why I got spice. Yeah, I should know I got spicy. Too spicy for me. I'm trying to taste the meat. Fucking hell. Holy fuck.
What?
Oh, so spicy.
No, not really.
My fault getting spicy, I guess, but holy shit. They're really fucking on, eh? Yeah, so if you want to come here and you can't do spicy stuff, fuck, do not get the spicy. I didn't even think how it's like fucking soy. I thought it was gonna be like more or less like the meat. Like if it's like spicy meat, you're all sweet, but it's like a spicy sauce. Nah. Yeah, stupid. I can't really rate it because it's just too spicy. Oh, fucking spicy. Okay, so we've been chilling at the pub for a bit, singing some bloody piss. Are we ready to go now, or? Are we ready? Where are we going? What do you mean, where are we going?
Oh, what the fuck's this shit?
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna fucking sing some more alcohol and then get the fuck out of here and I'll update you what pub we go to first, or no, what we do. Fuck, what's the aim? We used to go buy some Preshies, or, you know, just fucking go buy some mushrooms. Fuck, go buy a $4 beer. I miss it. Fucking miss it. I miss it. Europe's the best place, honestly. Europe's. Oh, caught up behind the scenes of Ravdog recording. He,
Is it what way is it facing? This way or that way?
It's facing towards you.
Oh.
So they see me in the mirror. So it's like, you know, behind the scenes plus me recording you, you know?
Oh, yeah.
It's low carb Spanian reckons. I guess he's pretty not wrong there. Anyway, this place is pretty cool. We're gonna man these bikes around and see where fucking takes us. No way. There's no way. There's no way. This guy. This absolute kid. This kid. Look at him. Alright, we're still like kind of searching around, trying to find a club and shit. I'm guessing he's finding a new bike now. That's fucking crack up. Like, I thought about that happening the last time we went up KEBABS, but it actually happened to him, but a ratchet. Alright, so I guess he's found a new one. Come on, that back tire's already been replaced. Two, come on, look, this place, look at that. I mean, hey, these ones go way hard. I kind of reckon these ones are lighter though, eh? They feel a little bit in these ones. These ones are fucking like massive, but anyway, we're still just like, apparently we're still in Chinatown or something. I don't know. Trying to find a club to go to. I'll fucking update you when we find something. Yeah. We're supposed to go to this other bar, but ChatGPT is fucking us over, so we're just like stopped here. We're gonna see what the fuck's going on. Fucking ChatGPT just keeps taking us to heaps of different places, but we finally, hopefully, found a fucking half-good club. It's called the Pleasure Club. So, hopefully we get fucking pleasure. I don't know. I'm gonna update you when we get there, but fuck, we're just gonna might as well catch a train because it was like a 20-minute bike ride or like a fucking 5-minute train. So we're gonna do that. I'll update you when we get there. Hopefully it's fucking good. What the fuck is ChatGPT taking us to? Like, I want to get wasted and get thrashed with your brother. Not our age and like, you know, party, get crunk and yeah, fucking take us here. Wow. Gotta not trust ChatGPT no more. I don't know. We can't really find it in our house, but I guess it's a Thursday night, but still. come on. Fucking come on. There seems to be like sweet fuck all that's open and it's kind of interesting, I say. So,
Sydney's found ourselves.
yeah, it's pretty tit at the moment, eh? I don't know fuck what Spanian was talking about, but fuck, we're going to actually every space that Spanian's talked about and yeah, all fucking did. I guess we must come here on a Friday or something, I don't know. It's a Thursday, like come on, it's a Thursday. Like fuck, I thought people would be banging it, but nah. Anyway, so we're at this place. Yeah, Barista chicken. We'll see how good it is. Easy fucking update on how good it is. I don't know. Looks alright. It's pretty well priced, I guess. I don't know. It's not over fucking $25 or something. So, but you know. Okay, I mean, first glance looks pretty banging. That looks pretty banging, cause let's give that a bite, eh?
Roll man.
Well, you're on. Come here. So we just fucked out. I probably need to tap out here, eh? Hold on. Just tapped out. We just got that chicken burger and yeah, again, there's nothing going fucking on, eh? So might save ourselves till tomorrow night and go home. Can't have a hot one because I forgot them all at fucking Jack's like a retard. Nice. But anyway, I'll update when we get back to the hotel or might end it fucking soon, I don't know. Change the picture, no. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is not just another day of Ravdog's life, eh? Stay but also fucking where you are. I think the saying of the week was believe in yourself. No matter what you tell yourself, if you fucking think about it every day, it'll fucking happen, mate. Trust me. Fucking Ravdog can do it. Ravdog can do it, so the fucking you. Stay yourself, but also the fucking way, yeah.